Welcome to the Fountaine Pajot's world. Remember, 1 year ago, we unveiled the new 41 and the new 44. Those two new models that already embody the transformation on the way. Today, that transformation becomes something even greater. And I'm here today to tell you that in 2025, Fountaine Pajot is going to launch a revolution. We don't follow trends, we set them. We innovate by imagining tomorrow's technology today. Hybrid system, renewable energies on board into a smart energy platform, ODC+, always one step ahead. And in 2025, we are going to launch not 2, but 5 new catamarans. 5 ways to live on the sea. One DNA, one name, FP, no doubt, Fountaine Pajot. Welcome to the new FP41. FP44, the new FP48, the new FP55, and now the new FP70. The new FP41 and the FP44 are an invitation into our world. I mean a double XL lifestyle inside and out. More space, more comfort, more elegance, but no compromises with the performance. And now let me introduce you to the 3 new models you've never seen before. The new FP48 continues the vision set out by the 41 and the 44 with enhanced comfort and even more generous living spaces. The new FP55. She is a shift in scale. Its flybridge and integrated helm open a unique 360-degree experience. And then, now, there is of course the new FP70. The flagship yacht of this new generation. Silent presence, ultimate refinement. She surpasses every expectation and every dream. Whether the owner, the guest, the captain, or the crew life aboard on this new FP70 means true yachting. Breathtaking spaces, impeccable finishes, and a service redefined. So with the FP41, FP44, and now the new FP48, FP55, FP70, Fountaine Pajot enter in a new era. This is more than a new range, it is a new course. To reaffirm our global leadership, to remain the pioneer in eco-navigation, to stand as a premium benchmark in the sailing industry, but our ambition goes further. We are building the future. A future that's sustainable, bold, redefine the future to live on the ocean. And I look forward to seeing you in September the 10th at the Cannes Yachting Festival to discover the 3 new models. And at the end of September for a special announcement that will mark our story.